Hey friends, this is Mrs. Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and here's your garden update. I'm out here looking for stuff to go in supper. Here's my parsley, my peppers, they're still doing really well. My pickling cucumbers have just started to climb. We have a problem. That eaves trough is full, the gutter is full, and the pipe is clogged. So the water is running down over the eaves trough and washed away a lot of my cucumber plants. But look, they're coming. They're giving babies. So next year we'll do a better plan. Well, here's the garden, folks. I'm out here. Look, I got a couple of tomatoes, not quite ripe, but I'm bringing them in anyway. And we're out here to see if we have beans big enough for supper tonight. We'll see. Look at the celery. My gosh. Celery, guys. This is only mid-July. Look at it. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Beautiful, Clark. Here are my sweet peppers. They're huge. And well, let's have a wee peek here. I knew I saw some. Ooh, look at the baby green pepper. So they, oh, look. I might actually get peppers this year. Woot! There's my kale. Soon going to be brought in and blanched and dehydrated. Here is my watermelon. And it is starting to leap out of the box here. So we want to put it back in. Once I see some flowers, like there are flowers, but once I see some that have fruit on them, like these are male flowers, you see, because they don't have any fruit. But once I see fruit, I will start cutting these back. Oh, the beans. And these beans, because I couldn't understand the writing on the package, ended up being pole beans. So I put a couple of canes in and they found their way. The sun's gotten really hot today. And the beans are almost ready. Almost. One more day in this heat. I gotta weed the onions. And I don't have any zucchini big enough to go in tonight's supper. And there's my rutabagas. Let's see if we got a rutabaga big enough to go in tonight's supper. Well, I could thin these out a bit more. So, let's take you. They're early, but they will do nicely for supper. And that's your garden update. Mwah. Well, Mom's in the pool. How's the water, Mom?
Very, very good.
You enjoying it?
Yes, I am.
Heat's pretty hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, enjoy your swim.
Nice knowing you again.
Love you, Mommy.